Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing in so Redbus recognizes your booking and profile. Once done, locate your booking using the PNR or booking ID. This saves time and avoids errors. Make sure your phone number matches the booking because OTPs are required for changes. If the ticket shows changeable, proceed. If not, you will need to cancel and rebook. Keep payment info handy. You may need to pay a fare difference or service charge during the change. You now tap the ticket's Modify option and select the new travel date directly in the calendar. After picking a date, choose the same route and then a bus that shows available seats. You may need to change seats if original seat is taken. Next, Redbus displays fare difference and a change fee. Study that because it affects total cost. If the price is acceptable, confirm seat and continue to payment. Otherwise, try an alternate date or bus to reduce extra charges. You finish by carefully reviewing the revised itinerary, fare breakdown, and any revised refund terms before confirming. Once satisfied, complete payment using your saved card or UPI, then download or screenshot the updated e-ticket and confirm the SMS or email arrives. If the change fails or you get an error, pause, don't retry payments repeatedly. Instead, capture the error message and contact Redbus support with your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.